Welcome, 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 welcome. Today, we celebrate our Harvest Thanksgiving service on the 22nd Ethanim, 30th September. We welcome our leaders, Bishops Grant, Bishop Scott, Elder Rose, Pastor Elkanah, Pastor Susan, Pastor Wright, workers, brethren, children, and for all those who are joining us online today. It is with great pleasure to share with all my wonderful brethren what Father has blessed us with in spite of our trying times. According to the scripture, after we are gathering in our corn and on our wine, the wise man Solomon says in Proverbs 3, verses 9 and 10, "Honor Yahweh with all thy substance, and with the first fruits of all thine increase. So shall thy barns be filled with plenty, and thy press shall burst out with new wines." Here is some of what Father has blessed us with today. We have our luscious fruit cake. We also have our plain cake. And this is also a pineapple upside down. We have our luscious pudding. Potato pudding. Here are some coconut biscuits, gizzards, June plum, coconuts, dry coconuts, red hot Scotch bonnet peppers, and here we have from the field, and this is called cocoa. Here Father has also blessed us with toiletries. Here we have our green plantain, roast breadfruits, canes, June plums, banana. We also have jelly from the vine. And oh, can I forget the staff of life, food. Here we have our fried chicken, rice and peas, macaroni salad, and also our lovely pot of soup.
Papayas.
We also have papayas.
And yeah, what is
Dashins. Father has blessed us wonderfully in spite of our trying times. So, my fellow brethren, leaders, and all those who are watching online, Father bless you all today. I hope you have a wonderful harvest. And Father be with you until we meet again. Thank you.